My name is Ben Wiggins. My wife and I, as you can see here, this is our wedding picture. We live in Kaiser, Oregon. We have two beautiful daughters. Nora is 3 months old, and Maggie is 2 years old in a few months. And we love them both to death, and they're driving us crazy. And we love it. I have listened to this talk a few times before by Elder Bendar, and I'm really caught on to the difference between sacrifice and consecration and what that means to us. In regards to the question which we were asked to answer, I am reminded of a time when I was about in 6th grade. It was English class, and I was quite upset with the way the class was run. And even though I knew all of the material and the assignments, I decided not to do them because I didn't think that they were a good example of what we had learned. So I didn't turn in any work I ever did. And that was a very poor way to go about things. And so that was my path of least resistance academically, because I felt that I didn't have to do it because I already knew it. In contrast, recently, I have come to school with, to word it properly, I am not at school to earn a grade. I have come to school to learn. And I have come to learn that the materials, everything that we have been given to do, the requirements, all of it is for our learning, including the tests and the quizzes and the group learning. All of it together helps us to understand the work better. And so by continuing to dive deep into it, we can come out with an understanding that makes everything better. Because I came to school once I knew what I wanted to do so that I could learn the most that I needed to accomplish it. And I think that as we strive to learn, to understand, and to actively use that information, regardless of what we're learning, school, work, through church, that can give us a benefit of becoming a better person. And that becoming is what Elder Bednar really wants us to do. And so I think that as we each come into this class with an understanding or with a desire to understand, then we can benefit from it. Personally, as I was reading through the first chapter, I was lost. But that means yet, because even though I've fulfilled the assignment, I'm going to go back and read it again because I want to know it and I want to understand it. And I think that taking that to the next step is going to really help us out. I think this class might be a difficult one, but then again, that means it's going to be a worthwhile one. So I am looking to start my own board game publishing business, and I'm really interested in understanding how contracts will work both internationally as well as locally, and what we can do to make the best impact on the work that we do. So I look forward to being with you all in this class, and hopefully we'll all have a good time.